Ready?
I'd rather keep it real with ya. Real hot girl shit.
So basically, I have lost my mind. So let me do my makeup while I explain to you what I'm about to do and why I'm gonna do it. Someone needs to like restrain me to a metal chair with metal rods and metal chains and no hair bleach to be seen around me anywhere. We all know this, right? I'm very impulsive, like very impulsive. I don't think before I make decisions, and that is my downfall for a lot of things. But it's also my uprise. What's the up? Whatever. You know what I mean. So this could go either way, really. This is another transformation video. I love how like basically every single video on my channel is a transformation video, but I just never get hotter and I never learn. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of things in this video, right? And I'm doing my makeup right now because I'm about to do one of those things and I don't want to feel ugly after I do it. And not that I think I'm ugly, but you know, a new haircut, a new hairstyle, a new hair color is a lot to take in. And this one specifically, bitch, I'm just gonna tell you, I'm cutting a pixie cut by myself at home. So, yeah. Now let me tell you why I decided to do a pixie cut. I really hope it doesn't bother you guys that I'm looking up here when I do my makeup. I can't look in the viewfinder, it's too small. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was on my curly hair, long hair journey, embrace your natural curls. Yes, natural queen, woo! That's how I got a lot of my subscribers. So when I started dyeing my hair, cutting it, going crazy, you know, because I was never allowed to dye it growing up. I was raised with very Arab parents, right? And hair dye was just not a thing growing up. That was just out of the picture. Do not ask, like you're crazy. So when I started dyeing my hair, I went a little crazy. I did every color in the rainbow, every style in the fucking book, except for a pixie cut. And then I started getting a lot of backlash for dyeing my hair because I was hashtag natural queen, you know, whatever that means. And so a lot of people, literally to this day, 24/7, I get comments that are like, girl, you killed your hair. Like, remember when you used to be all about natural hair and this and that? And it's just been an ongoing theme for the past 3 years on my social media. I'm not gonna lie to you, I am really glad I experimented with my hair and dyed it and got all the crazy colors out of my system, right? And who's to say I'm not gonna want to do it again after I do this healthy chop, right? Who knows? I never know. You never know with me, bitch. It's something new every week. But also, growing up, I'm sure a lot of other Arab girls can relate to this, is like, my dad would always tell, my dad's not like this anymore, he's hashtag feminist, whoa. My dad would always be like, no, like, you're not allowed to cut your hair, no, you're not allowed to dye it, because that's like, in our culture, it's like, it's like your crown, like the crown of femininity. So I've always had like a weird attachment to my hair, even if I've always wanted to cut it short or done this or done whatever. There's just a lot of factors in it. And to be honest, girl, all the colors I've done, obviously my hair is very damaged now. And I saw Penny Tovar. If you don't know who she is, she's an amazing lifestyle hair vlogger, YouTuber. She got it all, girl. But I watched her cut her hair into a pixie cut. Seeing her, I was like, this bitch is so cool. Like, I want to do this. Basically, she really inspired me to just go ahead and do it. And because I genuinely think I would feel really pretty with it. And I might not. I might look completely like a little prepubescent boy, you know? That's very possible also. Like, what do I have to lose? I'll get a wig if I really hate it, you know? A cute little lace front. I'm tired of like wanting to do so many things and like being afraid of the outcome. I could literally wake up and like be dead, you know?
Oh, yeah.
And it's like, fuck, I never got to cut a pixie cut, you know? I told myself, okay, like, what am I scared of in making this decision? Like, what is stopping me? And I was like, okay, maybe I won't be as attractive anymore. And girl, I really had to sit with myself on that one. Because let me give you a little backstory. when I first started my YouTube channel, I dressed solely for myself, for my gaze, for the female gaze, whatever you want to call it, right? And then later down the line, I got a boyfriend. Part of me felt like I had to start dressing like more like feminine or sexy or hot, and I started dressing more for the male gaze subconsciously, you know? I really feel like if I'm not allowing myself to do this because I'm scared of being less attractive, it's giving into that whole male gaze thing that I did a few years ago. I have a lot of adrenaline right now. Like the fact that none of this, oh my god, wait, it just clicked. Oh my god, do not let my therapist get a hold of this video. Oh my god, guys, yeah, I got a therapist. I haven't had my first session with him yet, but let's hope it goes well. My first session is in 2 days, actually. I should wait for therapy before I cut my hair, huh? No. Maybe nothing is wrong with me and I'm just free-spirited. Like, live, laugh, love. Real hair wigs, wigs. What? Wig. Do you guys have any wig place recommendations? Please shoot in the comments. Girl, I don't know if my head is just like super fucking huge. I don't know if my head is just super big, but wigs just always make my head pulsate. And I know there's like bigger sizes, but like, girl, I don't know my size. I'm gonna go live and I'm gonna finish my makeup on live, and I'll be back when I'm about to cut my hair. Bye. I'm done with my makeup, which means it's time. Now, for the past hour on Instagram Live, y'all were yelling at me to not do it, and somehow that didn't do anything to me up here. So I think all this proves is that I really want to cut my hair. Yes, yes. Tools acquired. Your life would be so boring without me, Mom. I keep the excitement going.
Okay.
No, but my hair looks good sometimes. It's fine, hair goes back. You're gonna be so beautiful and sexy and everything and more. And when your hair grows back, you're gonna be so happy because your hair is gonna be curly and natural and healthy again. Oh yeah, woo! Maybe I won't go as short as I want today. I am suing scissors for emotional distress. Craft scissors. Okay, ready? Ready? That felt really good. Oh.
You need to be locked in prison for a very long time. You need the internet taken away from you. You are a danger.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is becoming real. This is becoming real. Okay, it's fine, breathe, breathe, breathe. Don't tell me to breathe, yo, bring me a shot. I can't believe I just did that. Like no warning, nothing. These scissors are not built for this. These scissors are not built for this, I repeat. Oh boy, I'm hyperventilating. I should take a ganja break. Smoke some ganja. You know what? 12-year-old me would think I am cool as fuck. Literally, what am I doing? What am I doing? I feel it. I feel it. Like, that is so uneven. Holy fucking shit. I have no hair in the back of my head right now. Okay, well, I guess that means make the front shorter. I'm literally gonna have to end up shaving my head, guys. Like, at least my Crocs light up. I'm gonna go get my laptop and watch a tutorial. You know what? It's not bad. Short is... Oh. Okay. 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 I'm just... Like, I'm already feeling satisfied looking at all this hair on the ground. Like, I really just could have stopped here. Holy shit. This is not a pixie cut, but I think I'm gonna wait and make an appointment. I think this is what makes it or breaks it, like the front. Whatever I do here, I don't know. Is this what makes it or breaks it? Because I have no hair left. I liked when this was just a little fantasy that I had. Ow. Ow. Do you see that? I just got my hair into my eye. This was not how it was supposed to go. I'm stepping on the pile of my hair right now and it's literally a cushion. I look like Edna. What? Like... Oh my god. I'm gonna look like what?
The bald emoji. Oh, you have a tiny head. And a big old monster body.
I am unhinged. I am unhinged. Oh my god. I am gonna go to a hairdresser. Yeah. I hate myself. Who else? Who else hates me? Let's make a Farina hate club. I will be the first to join.
Lift it. Turn around more. You don't think it's too much?
Yeah, it's definitely too much. But what do you think?
Okay.
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 Is it bad?
No.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you lying to me?
No.
I think you're lying.
But please don't do more than that, okay? Please?
Okay. I just got to my eyelash appointment. I'm so excited because I feel like this is the only thing that's gonna make this hair better. Okay, bye. I'm 3 minutes late. Can y'all hear the Arabic music downstairs? So here are the lashes. They're a lot more natural than I wanted, but the lady was really nice. Hashtag wild ones. Mr. Worldwide, Mr. 305.
It's Mr. 305, Mr. Worldwide, back at it again and let you know. Just came to remind y'all.
So I think it's been like a day or two that my hair has been cut. And I was thinking about it while I got my lashes done. And I was like, honestly, that was very liberating. Like, as much as I look like Lord Farquaad, Ford Larquaad. As much as I look like Ford Larquaad. I was like, girl, like, you literally get tattoos every week. Like, if you are making life commitments like that, like, your hair means nothing to you. Like, it's really not that deep. Like, this shit grows back. Tattoos will always be there, you know? So that was a calming thought. I have literally over 20 tattoos within 6 months. I literally woke up from a nap and zoomed over here, bitch. Like, look at me. Like, I literally just woke up. I just took them to the vet and these bitches are fucking insane. Like feral animals, bitch. Hey, get out of there. That drawer is not yours, ma'am. Mango, in that chair, you are not welcome in that
Shut
chair.
up, bald ass bitch.
Worry about yourself. Ford Larquaad speech.
The audio on these clips are horrid. I'm so sorry. So I'm gonna talk about parking out right now. And y'all have been telling me, Brina, get help. Brina, get help. Guess what I'm doing? I'm about to have my first session with my therapist. I can't wait to cut my hair shorter. So my session starts in 6 minutes.
See you around. How was your day?
My day was good. So yeah, I kind of just started my day.
Oh, okay. What do you mean you flipped your days and nights?
Like, I go to sleep at around 6 in the morning, 7 in the morning.
Okay. So, are you a student or?
I'm a YouTuber. So, I have to give one of my cats away today. I already cried for 30 minutes. When I was out with my friends, I was that bitch. I walked to a corner and cried. Ugh. Fucking disgusting. And y'all, I'm really trying to stop with the impulsive, like, appearance changing, but I have a feeling that the loss of my child right now is going to send me into a spiral. Girl, I might as well just go get a BBL and fucking shave my head, and I don't know, what the fuck else can I do at this point? I'm so upset. Fuck, dude, I feel like I'm literally betraying her. Oh, baby. One. Good morning.
It's my cat now, y'all.
Shake her hand.
I'm gonna take care of it, don't worry.
Did she just? Yo, they're oh sorry, I didn't mean to do flash. They're besties already. What?